Hey guys, welcome to the first very video of this course. Today we talk about structure. Okay, this is the core of our business. This is the core of our strategy. And if you we have some problem with structure, you will continue to struggling because if you don't know where are you, if you don't know what kind of structure we have and what kind of pressure, the main pressure that we have on market, we're gonna be probably always on the wrong side. And now, promise you, if you have some problem with your trading, probably it's because structure. Even if you don't think so, probably it's because structure. Okay, so if you think, okay, I know everything about structure, I know everything about smart money, that's not true, 100%. Believe me. So the problem with structure, in my opinion, is that many mentors teach different things, and I think that even if you have some aggressive scalping strategy, you need to understand exactly the higher time frame intention. So the most important thing about structure, in my opinion, is to identify what really is higher time frame. And in my opinion, higher time frame is, and then I will show you why higher time frame is only monthly, weekly, and daily. So I don't know why someone should use 4 hour, 1 hour as higher time frame. Okay, and now please don't tell me that market is fractal. Yeah, it is, but it doesn't make any sense because it's fractal, but the main direction is medium long term. So in order to take only higher probability setups, you need to know where the price want to go. And on a higher time frame, I would like to check the overall direction, basically the directional bias, measure POI, and I call higher time frame my Google Maps because I need to understand my location. And let me explain you this assumption. Okay, basically when I say I need to understand my location is because let's say that you are in a bullish trend on weekly. Okay, now or in a bearish trend, the same. So let's do a couple of examples. Nice. So now let's say that you are able to identify the directional bias. Okay, but your location is important. So we're gonna talk about premium discount later, but your location is important because if you don't know where are you now, how you can find your destination? It's impossible. Okay, I say this thing dozens of times, thousands of times. Let me explain you why. So now let's say you use H4 as your main trend, main time frame. Cool. So now let's say this black line is your weekly and this red line is your 4 hour. Okay. Based on your 4 hour structure, this should be, this may be rate PY. And again, based on your 4 hour structure, 1 hour structure, or someone use M15 as a higher time frame. So in my opinion, it's crazy, but it's cool. If you are happy, it's okay. In my opinion, it's great and too stressful. Okay, again, let's say this is your 4 hour, 1 hour structure. Okay, so you think, oh, this is a great level to catch up continuation. But this is a very risky and stupid level to take into consideration. Let me explain you why. Because now it probably price already broke some high, hold high on a weekly, monthly, daily basis. And after a break of structure, most of the time price needs to create a pullback. Okay, so yeah, this is a small pullback, but the entire leg is from this low, higher low, to this higher high. And now you're trying to catch this trade, into this level, which is, in my opinion, very, 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 very stupid and risky because you are at the top, at the end of this impulsive movement. So what this looks like, great opportunity. This is the biggest trap that you can be involved into. Same things here. We have the whole leg, lower high, lower low, and we have this little lower high here. So even if you are pro trend, if you don't understand your location, you can choose your destination because you have no clue where are you. You have no clue about the structure. So this is the problem. So my main trend, the main trend that I should follow is the higher time frame, minimum weekly. So I use most of the time weekly to identify my directional bias. I will show you during the example. Then I will looking for major POI. My major POI are, and I will teach you how to spot and how to filter this POI. The next lessons are inefficiency and supply demand. But first of all, I want to identify where I am now. Because if I'm here on a weekly basis, okay, it's a cool place to trying to catch continuation. If I'm here, it's not. Again, if I'm here, it's okay. If I'm here, it's okay. If I'm here, it's okay because the last target will be this one. If I'm here, it's okay. But if I'm into this situation, it's not a good moment to take a continuation. So identify location, identify directional bias, identify price action, and identify POI. So again, for example, imbalance and demand. And again, once the price tap into this level, I can looking for intraday POI because now I can looking for continuation. I can refine my level. Okay, so this is the first thing to understand. Second thing to understand is, yeah, the intraday. Let's call this my mid time frame. Okay, just to give them a name. The intraday price action basically is 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and I looking for into this time frame only for intraday structure, minor POI on only once price already reached some higher time frame level, okay, and stop. And on my lower time frame, which is M15, M5, and M1, I'm looking for only entry models. So if you start your analysis from M15 and you have uh, an horrified win ratio, now you know why. So you can be egocentric and say, okay, somebody just telling a lot of bullshit, or you can analyze your behavior and your results and say, okay, maybe this could be right. Let's study. Let's just try for 6 months change your habits, and then you see. Okay, let me show you one little example. um, very quick example. Let's say here. Now, in terms of weekly, in terms of um, direction, weekly direction, we have this lower high and this lower low, and we have this unbalance, and we have this daily supply. Now, I will not show you how to filter, I will not show you how to enter, I will show you just what I said before. If you take in consideration only the 4-hour structure, you have low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low, and higher high. Now, this looks like a great order block, great POI, great demand, whatever. But if you don't know where are you can choose your destination. And this is gonna be the risk. Because the main trend is bearish and this is just a pullback. So it's okay to trade a pullback, it's okay to trade a counter trend. I will teach you how to do it, but you must understand that you are involved in the counter trend, because if you don't know where are you, again, you can choose your destination. Okay, so that's in my opinion the most important thing to learn on structure. Okay, now see you in the next lesson. I will teach you another things again about structure.